Protecting worksheets and workbooks. Excel 2010 provides a number of commands to prevent users from making unwanted changes to your worksheet. For example, users may want to change the layout, which makes it non-standard, or they may accidentally remove formula. Therefore, this section will look at how to lock and unlock cells and how to protect your worksheet and/or workbook. Let's begin by looking at how to protect cells that contain formula within column F of this worksheet. However, when you apply protection, Excel locks all the cells by default, so you will need to carry out a two-step process. Step 1 is to unlock all the cells that you do not want to protect. So let's highlight columns A through to E, and then on the Home tab, click the Format button in the Cells group and select Format Cells. Click the Protection tab and remove the tick from the Locked option and click OK. Step 2 is applying the protection. Select the Review tab and then click the Protect sheet in the Changes group. This is slightly confusing, but read what it states. As you can allow users to select cells, but this does not mean that they can change their contents. You can also select any of the other tick boxes, such as Format Cells or Insert Columns, that you want to remain functional when the worksheet protection is operational. The password is optional, so to comply with OU policy, we will not use a password. Click OK to apply the protection. As a result, you will not be able to select or change any of the protected cells, and you will also receive a warning message. Also note that most of the commands on the ribbon are now greyed out. To remove worksheet protection, click the Unprotect Sheet button in the Changes group on the Review tab. Finally, to protect a workbook, click the Protect Workbook button in the Changes group. You can protect a workbook structure against changes such as a sheet being added or deleted. You can also protect the workbook's windows so that they are the same size and in the same position every time the workbook is opened by ticking the relevant box. Click OK to apply the workbook protection. Please notice that the Protect Workbook remains highlighted. You can also view the workbook protection details in the Permissions box in the Info section in the File menu. So to unprotect, click the Protect Workbook again, and now notice that the highlight has been removed. That concludes this section. Please click onto the Exit button and move on to the next section, or replay this section if you wish to.